Hi 10th class students, today we are discussing the second Roman in exercise 1.5. Write the following expressions as log n and their values wherever possible. So we need to find the values of the expressions. These problems are in the same pattern of example 12 model. Okay, we have to go through the exercise. The first question in the second Roman is log 2 plus log 5. So which is in the form log 2 plus log 5, which is in the form log x plus log y. Log x plus log y is nothing but log xy. So that log 2 into 5, here write the supporting formula log x plus log y, which is equal to log xy. So log 2 into 5, log 10. Log 10, base is not there here, that means 10 is there. Log 10 base 10 value is 1. This is the first problem. Now we are going to discuss the second problem in this Roman. Log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Simple question. Log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. So which is log x minus log y, log x by y, that is 16 by 2 base 2. Log 6, since from the supporting formula log x minus log y, log x by y. This is the supporting formula. So 2 ones, 2 eights, log 8 base 2. Log 8 base 2, 8 can be written as 2 cube. So that we have to write that one log 2 cube base 2. Again, which is in the form log x power m. Log x power m formula m log x, that is 3 into log 2 base 2. Since from the supporting formula log x power m to the base a is m log x base a. This is the formula. So 3 into log 2 base 2 value is 1, since log a base a is 1. 3 into 1, the answer is 3. This is the second problem in this Roman. Now we are going to discuss 3 log 4 base 64. How we have to do this one? One time listen. 3 log 4 base 64. Third problem in this Roman. 3 log 4 base 64. M log x like how? M log x can be written as log a power m, that is log 4 cube base 64. 4 cube value m log x base a can be written as log x power m to the base a. Log 4 cube value, you know that 4 cube value how much? 4 into 4 into 4, which is 64. So log 64 base 64. This entire value is equal to how much? 1. Because since log a base a equal to 1. This is the third problem in this Roman. So try to note it this one and take photo, just photo shot. Screenshot you have to took, afterwards write in the classwork. Okay children. Now we are going to discuss the fourth problem. Is same as second problem. The fifth problem is same as example 14 model. So try to do the third, fourth and fifth problems as your own and post in our WhatsApp group. Okay children. Now we are going to discuss the third Roman in this Roman. Evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y if it is given x is equal to log 3 base 2, y is equal to log 5 base 2. How we have to write this one time to see. Okay, children. The first problem in the third Roman is log that is log 15 base 2. What is given here? X is log 3 base 2 and y is log 5 base 2. This is the values of x and y. The first problem in this one is log 15 base 2. So we have to express this one in terms of x and y. How we have to represent this one time see. Log 15 can be written as 3 into 5 base 2. 3 5s are 15. So which is in the form log xy. Log xy formula is log x plus log y. Since from the supporting formula log xy is equal to log x plus log y. The second one is log 7.5 base 2. Log 7.5 base 2. How we have to write this one in terms of x and y? Okay, here in the first problem, log 3 base 2 is x, log 5 base 2 is y. So x plus y is the answer. The second problem is 7.5 by 2. How we have to write this 7.5? One time see. The second problem solution is log 15. 7.5 can be written as 15 by 2. So 15 by 2 by 2. So that is log 15 by 4, which is in the form log x by y. How we have to write this one? Log x minus log y. Here the base is 2 here. So since from the supporting formula log x by y base x base a is equal to log x base a minus log y base a. So log 15 base 2 log 3 into 5 base 2 minus log 4 base 2. 4 can be written as 2 square. Again log xy formula log x base y log x base a plus log 5 base 2 minus log 2 square base 2. Since from the supporting formula log xy can be written as log xy base a is nothing but log x base a plus log y base a. Again log 3 base 2 is, you know that, which is x. Log 5 base 2 is y. Here I have to write log a power x power m, that is m log x. So here only I write log x base x power m base a is equal to m log x base a. Two supporting formulas we are applied here in the same question. This is x, this one is y, this is, the third one is 2 into log 2 base 2 is 1, 2 into 1. So that you get x plus y minus 2. This is the solution. This way we have to do the remaining problems, third and fourth in the same pattern. If you don't have, just ask me afterwards. Okay children, just I have to explain the fourth problem, log 6750. 6750, how we have to write? One time see. Log 6750. I think this is little bit of big one. Log 6750 base 2. The fourth problem. One time factorize 6750. How will be coming for us? One time see. 2 3s, 2 3s, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s. Again with 5, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are, 5 5s are 25. Again with 5, 5 1s, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s. Next with the 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s. 3 9s, 3 3s. This is the factorization of 6750. Okay, children. 2 3s, 2 2s, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 5s, 5 1s, 5 3s, 5 5s, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 30, same like that. So, it can be written as log 2 into 5 cube into 3 cube. So, this is log x, y, z like that have. Log x, y, z, log x plus, log y plus, log z. So, that log 2 base 2 plus, log 5 cube base 2 plus, log 3 cube base 2. You know that again we have to write, since from the supporting formula log x y z, continuation of log x y, continuation formula of log x y. So, it can be written as log x plus, log y plus, log z. So, log 2 base 2 is log 2 base 2, right, as usual. Log 5 cube is 3 log 5, that is 3 log 5 base 2. This is also 3 log 3 base 2. So, you know that this value is x. Here supporting formula log x power m base a, m log x base a. So, 1 plus 3 into this value is y, 3 log 3 base 2. This is the expansion of that problem. Okay, children, you have to try to do these all problems in the same pattern. Okay, children, bye.